What if you could live a life completely free from money worries? Imagine waking up without that heavy feeling in your chest, knowing your bills are paid, your future is secure, and your dreams are within reach. Wealth isn't just piles of cash. It's freedom. It's choice. It's power. Whether you're struggling just to stay afloat or chasing a fortune that can last for generations, there's a clear path forward, a ladder that anyone can climb. This is the journey through the 5 levels of wealth: survival, stability, independence, abundance, and generational wealth. Each level opens a new door. Each step gives you more control and more opportunity. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to begin. With steady effort and smart choices, anyone, yes, anyone, can rise from stress to success. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's begin the climb, starting with the toughest but most important step: escaping financial survival. Level 1. Financial survival. Financial survival is where the battle begins. You're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly watching the calendar, hoping the next payday comes before the bills pile too high. Rent, food, electricity, you cover them barely. And when a $500 emergency hits, a car breaks down, a medical bill arrives, it feels like the world is collapsing. You borrow. You stress. You lose sleep. But this is not where your story ends. You can fight your way out step by step. Step 1, create a budget. Don't guess where your money goes, track it. Use a free app or even a notebook. Every dollar matters. Cut small things. Skip the takeout coffee, cancel a streaming service, save that $50 a month. Small changes build power. Step 2, save $1,000 for emergencies. It may take months, but that first safety net changes everything. Suddenly, a flat tire or broken phone won't drag you into debt. You'll breathe easier. Step 3, crush your high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, they're silent traps. Use the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins. Or the avalanche method. Hit the highest interest rate first to save more. These steps demand discipline. But once you begin, you'll feel control returning to your hands. Budget wisely. Save a little. Kill debt. Do this, and you'll rise to the next level, where fear starts to fade and stability begins. Level 2. Financial stability. Financial stability feels like a deep breath after years underwater. For the first time, your bills don't scare you. You can cover rent, food, and transport without fear of running out. You've built an emergency fund, $5,000 to $15,000, enough for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. High-interest debts are mostly gone. And now something amazing happens. Your money starts working for you. You're no longer just surviving, you're starting to grow. How? First, automate your savings. Set your bank to automatically move $100 or $200 a month into a high-yield account before you can spend it. Let it quietly grow, earning 4% or more. Second, boost your income. Take a free online course, learn a skill like graphic design, or simply ask for a raise. Even a 10% bump changes everything. Third, invest, just a little. Start with a 401k or IRA, especially if your employer matches contributions. Or invest $50, $100 monthly into an index fund, an easy way to follow the stock market's long-term growth. Stay humble. Cook at home. Avoid the urge to buy things you don't need. This is the calm after the storm, where stability replaces chaos. You're not rich yet, but you're safe. You can breathe. Keep saving automatically. Keep learning. Keep investing small amounts. You're now ready for something bigger. A life where work becomes a choice, not a prison. Level 3. Financial independence. Financial independence is the turning point. This is where the rules change, because now your money works harder than you do. Your investments pay your bills. You could stop working tomorrow and your life would continue, comfortably. Imagine earning $50,000 a year without a job. A $1.5 million portfolio can do that, safely generating $60,000 annually at a 4% withdrawal rate. That's the power of independence. But reaching it takes focus. Save aggressively, $15,000 to $20,000 a year if you can. Put it into index funds that follow the stock market, earning around 7% yearly. Set it, forget it, and let time multiply your money. Add more income streams, a small rental house bringing in $1,000 a month, dividend stocks paying you quarterly. Simple things that grow silently. And remember, don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Avoid fancy cars and showy houses. The rich who stay rich live simply. This level takes 10 to 20 years to reach, but every dollar saved speeds the climb. Even starting small, $100 a month, can snowball into freedom. Automate. Stay patient. Let your wealth grow in the background. Financial independence is more than numbers. It's peace. You can work because you want to, not because you have to. You can travel, rest, create. You can choose your life. That's real power. Level 4. Financial abundance. Now the game changes again. Financial abundance isn't just comfort, it's overflow. You've built more than you need. Your wealth gives you choices most people only dream about. You might have a net worth of $5 million, generating $10,000 a month without lifting a finger. Now you can dream bigger. A vacation home by the sea, trips around the world, or helping others in ways that truly matter. Maybe you start a business that creates jobs. Maybe you buy rental properties or expand your investments. Maybe you just use a financial advisor to cut taxes and keep more of what you've earned. Because at this level, every dollar saved from taxes is a dollar that keeps growing for you. But abundance isn't about showing off. It's not about luxury cars or flashy gadgets that lose value the moment you buy them. It's about freedom with purpose. You can help a child through school, fund a community project, support your family when they need it most. Your money becomes a tool, not for pride, but for power, growth, and generosity. And as your investments expand, as new income streams open, as your confidence grows, you move toward the final and most meaningful stage of all, building a legacy. Level 5. Generational wealth. This is the summit. Generational wealth is more than just being rich. It's about creating something that outlives you. We're talking $20 million or more, producing enough to support your family and their children for decades to come. This level is built through massive assets, businesses, real estate empires, or investments that earn millions a year. It could be apartment buildings you own, companies you started, or commercial properties that keep producing income long after you're gone. At this stage, you don't just make money, you protect it. You set up trust to guard it from taxes and bad decisions. You teach your family about budgeting, investing, and responsibility, so your legacy doesn't vanish in a single generation. Generational wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about meaning. Your money could build schools, fund charities, inspire future generations to dream bigger than you ever could. With careful planning and wise investing, your impact can echo for centuries. This is where the journey ends, but also where it begins again. Because every generation you lift up will carry your name and your vision forward. Your climb begins. Now, wealth is not luck. It's a journey. From financial survival to generational wealth, each step brings more peace, more freedom, and more power to make a difference. Budgeting pulls you out of survival. Saving builds stability. Investing sparks independence. Growth creates abundance. And planning shapes a legacy. It all begins with small steps. Track your spending. Save $1,000. Invest $50 a month. Then add more. Learn a new skill. Start a side hustle. Buy your first rental property. Plan your taxes wisely. Every small move adds strength to your foundation. Discipline ties it all together, choosing not to waste, but to build, because every decision, every dollar pushes you one step higher, and one day you'll look back and realize money no longer controls your life. You control it. You'll have security. You'll have freedom. And most importantly, you'll have the power to change your world. All it takes is one action today. Cut an expense, save $1. Learn a skill, because that's where every great climb begins.